Hello, in this video I am just going to discuss the move instruction. So the MOV instruction allows you to move data from one location to another. Even though we've used it in a lot of our videos already, I just wanted to create a video dedicated to this. So the general format of the move instruction is you have the keyword MOV, and then what you have are two places. The first place is the actual destination. So in this case, so if I do the one of the registers, so let's say this one, for example, EAX, then comma, then the next part is the actual source. You could literally put in a value like so. You could reference a variable. You could specify another memory location. But all you need to know is that the left side is where the data is going to. So this will be overwritten. The right side is the source. So this is where the data is coming from. And after this move instruction has occurred, or any move instruction, ECX will now contain what hello contained, but hello will be unchanged. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else that you really need to know apart from that? Well, both of the actual operands, which are these, their operands just means values. They both need to be of the same size. They should be the same size. And apart from that, that's really all there is to the move instruction. If you have any questions, though, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.